Hello everyone, welcome to Bounce Software tutorial. I'll be showing you how to free up disk space on your local disk or your hard disk. Some files are stocked up somewhere, some temporary files are stocked up somewhere that I need to be cleaned up to free up your disk. So I'll be showing you how to free up those space. First, we'll be going to the start menu, locate my computer and check up your disk. Can you see this disk? Almost occupied with so much stuff. So I'm going to show you how to fill up this disk space. First of all, locate your start menu. On the search bar, type run. Then locate the run at the top of the search menu. Click on it. This dialog will show up. Also, there are other ways to show the run. You can use the home key and the R. Home key plus R. It will show up the run. First place will be going to be typing prefetch. Then click OK. Can you see a lot of stuff? There are a lot of stuff that you don't want, but they are stocked up in your disk. So what we're going to do is highlight all. Then use the shift plus the delete key on your keyboard to permanently delete the file. There are 145 items here. Then click yes to delete everything. Then also, there are other temporary files still on this on your system. You still go on the run. Then here you type 10. Click OK. There are still other stuff to clean up here. You highlight everything, then use the shift and the delete key to delete everything. Click yes, everything is gone. Then the next thing is you still go on the run again. Then you use the percentage key plus the 10. Click OK. There's still a lot of other stuff here. You highlight all. You have to delete everything here. You use the shift and the delete key. Then delete everything permanently. Some file, you have to skip them because they are not supposed to be deleted. Click continue. Click continue. Escape. Then let's check up our disk space. Can you see there? You can look at our disk. It's full up, and there are other things you can see full up in our disk. You can go to the local disk, locate the window, click it, then you look for software distribution. You click on it, you highlight everything there, then use the shift and delete key. Click yes. It's deleting. Wait till everything finish deleting. Okay. Skip some items that are not supposed to be deleted. Let's go to my computer. Oh, you can see the disk. Then you can see there are still some stuff you can see free up. Right click on the local disk, go to the property, you see disk cleanup. Click on it. The disk is calculating the files that will be cleaned up, or the folders that will be cleaned up. So we wait for it to finish calculating everything. We wait a little longer. It takes some few minutes to complete. Everything has shown up. If your own is not highlighted, you have to highlight everything. You have to highlight everything. Can I see some? Then you click OK. You delete file permanently. You can see here the disk is cleaning up. Oh. Then you click OK. Can you see our disk now? A disk of 1 gig is free up to 10 gig. Thank you for watching our tutorial. There are still other videos to watch. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button to get updates on all our